guys, it's me. Well, it's my first time making a video and I am so nervous about it. So this video is going to be for starters of Minecraft. This video is to how to survive your first night of Minecraft. Let's get started. We're on a desert. A desert has no trees. Oh, a village. What? What is this door open here? Dude, cactus. Here you go. Here you go, buddy. Hi. Okay. When you spawn in a village, first rule is to collect all the loot. So let's go. We got a blacksmith here. Hello? Any blacksmith around? Oh, here's blacksmith. With an iron golem. Oh, yes! Gold, armor, food. Okay, Minecraft. You need food to survive. Dude. Oops. Oh no, I'm hungry. Eat some food. Now collect. This is just a rampage, but time to kill the iron golem. Sorry, iron villagers. Die. Die. This is gonna take a long time. Die. How many lives does an iron golem have? Oh no. I don't need the puppy, thank you. Did you watch me kill the iron golem? Please don't tell anybody. Please? He's just running away. Get some food. Time to get some food. And another thing, you have wheat blocks or hay bales. It can stop you from having fall damage. That's a trick I learned from one of the Minecraft videos. Crafty. It's my favorite, dude. That's a big mountain. Oh, a temple! Village temple! Let's go! Village temple? Ugh. That was a glitch. First thing, village temple has loot. Loots, many loots. Incredible or boring loots. Loots. A secret I learned from EY stream while he was making a video about test testing things that's tree testing. I don't know what it's called, but it says that this whole top here fits a whole beacon. A beacon. Get it? Ouch. That was a bad idea. Break the pressure plate so you don't activate TNT. The reason we're here is for the TNTs, thank you. TNT, and TNT. There we go. I'll replace that. Enchanted apple! Let's go. I'll take the bones and the gunpowder and the iron. Oh, that's so many, dude. Eesh. That's cool. I got diamond and enchanted apple and more bones. What's this? Oh. That's boring loot. Let's go more! That's a lot of good apple, dude. Dude, that's crazy. Okay, let's mine up. TNT, here we go. What's this? Ah! Ouch. up anybody. Hello. Hi, down there. I might need to eat some food now. How do we get wood, dude? Die, die, die. I'm dying. Help. Please. I need to escape from here. Not allowed. Oh man, I need. Oh, trees. Let's go. Yeah, my hunger bar is so low right there. You see it? Okay, run away from the zombies. Zombies gonna hit you. Watch this. Demonstration. Ow. And it gives me hunger. Really? I only have 2 hearts. I'm trying to survive, dude. Survive the night, which is gonna be hard. Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Please, no. Eat. Eat. Please. Please. I wasted one of my enchanted apples for to survive. Duh. Okay, let's make some wheat. Let's make some bread. Bread. I need some bread. Oh, thank you. Okay, we need diamond. We need armor this time. Got that armor. We got helmet. We got boots. And we got a chest plate. Okay, let's put it on, shall we? Don't need that. We got a diamond armor. Whoa! Oh, and for I need more wood. Let's craft. Oh, I need food. Make sure the night comes in. We need to make a sword to survive the night and monster killing. Let's survive the night. Go, here we go. Make some sticks. Here we go. Oh. Dude, I used up all my diamonds already. Infinity means nothing. I mean nothing. I can't craft nothing else. Okay, let's take this. Need us and be on our way. Run away from them. Yeah. Can also use the sword for one more thing. You can use the sword to hit and kill. To do more damage, you gotta jump and hit. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Jump and hit. Ouch. Creeper! Ah! It's gonna explode! Stay away from creepers, because they just explode. Like that. Ouch. And skeleton has bow that shoots you from far, about 50 blocks away. Oh no, that's not it. 20 blocks. And baby zombies are very fast. Please help me. Please. Surviving the night is my first video and die and die. Thank you. Hey, don't kill the villager. Enderman. One thing, never look at an Enderman because they will like that attack you. Don't look at an Enderman. Help. When you kill an Enderman, of course, you drop pearl. An Ender pearl. Which lets you, of course, teleports away. Like this. And hi, Enderman, I'm looking at ya. Oh, it didn't even hit. You didn't even see me, dude. Okay, time to run. Run for it. Baby zombie. Another village, let's go! This is cursed. Ouch. This is very cursed. Sand supposed to be floating in the... Oh. Sand isn't supposed to be floating in the air. Oops, ouch. Thank you. Oof, I need a hunger bar. keeping up. Oh, please, zombie, don't kill me. Come on, I'm trying to survive till the night. Ugh. Zombie. What the? Die. Hey, please. Do we have food here? Oh, Keeper. Come on, Keeper. Come to the water. Okay, one more thing to know. If creepers explode, because they're called creepers, if they explode, well, when they're in water, they don't do anything. Don't break anything. Let's go. Do we have an iron golem here? Oh, yes, we do. Die. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Ouch. Iron golem is the main boss of this main mob. Please, ouch. Out. Oh, sorry. No, you're gonna get killed by a zombie. And of course, a villager. Oh no, an iron golem. They kill me, dude. Ouch. Eat a golden apple, and attack! Yeah, 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 yeah. Die. Oh, I got it. That was easy. Take only the iron. I don't need puppy. Oh, a zombie jockey. No thanks. Die. Die. Why am I fighting lots of mobs? Oh, a ruined nether portal. For those of you who doesn't know about a portal, it's the new 1.17 update, I think. Portal are supposed to be broken portals that you need to fix together. You need a diamond pickaxe, which I don't have, to, well, get obsidian. Ouch. Please. Ouch. 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 Please, no. Yes, it's nearly daytime. Let's. Ouch. I'm gonna die. Oh, I forgot. I have fire resistance. So if you press Z on your computer. Ouch. Ouch. Don't need you. If you press Z on your computer, you'll see that you have all these effects on you. Ah! Don't you dare shoot. Die. An obsidian. Great. What's that for again? What? Oh, okay. Oh, it's daytime. Well, we survived the night. And of course, we got a diamond sword. Time to die. Oof. Ah, I can't die. Pause, please.